Hello friends, now let us begin with the performa of a trading account in the year 2005. How we can do trading accounts. So we'll be studying over here. This is the slide which is actually going to show how the trading account is being maintained. Trading basically deals with purchases and the sales of the firm. As the name itself says, the trading is done. So here's something, there is some opening stock of the company, and say for example, if you have started accounting of any firm and the opening stock or the inventory stock opening stock was of say 10 lakh rupees, right? That for a particular period some purchases were made. Say for example, you have purchased the 5 lakh rupees, some products were purchased during that period. Now what are returns? Returns are nothing but the purchase returns. Due to some problems in the product, you returned some purchases. That is, for example, if you have returned 2 lakh rupees product, right? And some drawings are being made. So drawings has to be made accordingly. Here are drawings. If are made, then you can make an entry over here. Rest you can leave it blank. Now if there are direct expenses, what are direct expenses? Direct expenses basically is due to carriage inward. Now what is carriage inward? When for example, if you are purchasing some products, some inward charges are there. Means some basic kind of transportation charges. Say if you have 5,000, you have got charges. Now wages are nothing but the salary which is given to the employees for the manufacturing of that product. Say for example, 30,000 you have paid for manufacturing wages. Here fuel and power, which might be required by the people who run the company, or for the machinery, what kind of power expenses are being made. Say for example 3,500. Now what are the manufacturing expenses which are related to for the product manufacturing? There might be some value which is related to that expenses, say 5,700. Some coal, water and gas was used for production of specific product, so that costed around about 10,000 rupees. And foremans and works people, they took 7,000. Manager's salary, who was responsible for actual production purpose, so his salary was around about 70,000 for a year. And the royalty of manufacturing goods actually went to 30,000. So this is the royalty which we paid on the license of the product. The person who invented that product, we paid the royalty. And here actually is the sales. What we do, purchase, we had made purchases of 3 lakh and opening stock was 10 lakh. Now we did 5 lakh rupees of sales, say 5 lakh rupees of sales. Now what are less returns? Means if you have returned some kind of sales, then you can write sale return you have taken, then you can write it over here. Rest onwards, here closing balance should be matched. Say for example 10 plus 5 minus 2 is 13. So here closing stock should be 8 lakh rupees. In order to match 5 plus 8, that is 13. So these two sheets should be matched, reducing the expenses, and gross profit is being calculated over here and gross loss is being calculated over here. So this is nothing but the basic performa of the trading section which we have taken. It basically deals with the purchase and sales of the firm. So purchases and sales related transactions are being taken in the trading account, right? So the trading account comes over here. Thank you. In the next slide we will be actually looking the profit and loss sheet, how to calculate that and what are the factors in that.